Okay, so now that that tough, uncomfortable topic is over, I just wanted to show you my middle school yearbook to prove that yes, I really did live here from like 2013 to like now. So this is my middle school yearbook. I moved here in like 8th grade, so as you can see, a lot of people signed it. These are all positive memories of, you know, I actually designed I drew this. I painted the middle school yearbook, like, cover page. I made this in watercolor. I wrote a lot of some standards that are tough to live up to, but I wrote like fairness, diligence, caring, courage, trustworthiness, respect, and it's like a tiger, which is like the GBMS logo. So, yeah, I still remember some of my teachers. I had Mrs. Dar for English. Mrs. Kessler was like a social studies teacher. I heard that Mr. Fernelli got fired or something. There was some controversy over that, but I forget exactly what it was. So obviously, I haven't really kept up as much with these kinds, like, there wasn't really much connecting me. I mean, I definitely went through more turbulent moments in high school, but I think, when I moved here, I really wanted to adapt to the social environment and the academics here. And as you can tell, I was very creative, and I wrote poetry for the middle school arts magazine, and I drew a lot of pictures. I think my design was selected for like the middle school field trip to Washington, D.C., and it was also a tiger, because I was like, really good at drawing from like a young age. So it's mainly, I think a big part, because no one really helped me when basically I filed a report with Nutley, and you know what happened to that. So I'm glad I finally somewhat got some help with that. But, I feel like my true self is in this yearbook, and I put all my all into like my life, since like 8th grade to like, all through high school, and I actually feel like I don't think I'm my real self with my friends in college, but I still had to balance that through COVID and all that. So, I don't want you to misperceive what happened here. So that's just my 2 cents.